I'm Grace Choi. I'm back. In the previous two lessons, we dealt with parabola questions, which are from JEE Advanced. But this time, I prepare for also parabola question, which is from JEE Main Math. So the level is kind of easier, but personally speaking, this question is more important because the question is based on the definition of parabola, which is the most important part in conic section, especially parabola. Let's start. Are you ready? I can give you 5 seconds to try it first. Oh, okay, good. Okay, good. Did you get the answer? Yes? Oh, amazing. Okay, good. Let's start. Do you know the definition of parabola? Say it to me. Comment, please. Okay, the definition is any points on the parabola is equidistant from the, focus and then directrix line. Okay, like this. Like this. Distance is the same. Always. Any points, all points on the parabola. Okay, if, read the question first. If the x-intercept of the focal chord of the parabola y squared is 8x plus 4y plus 4 is 3, then the length of this chord is equal to, what is focal chord? Focal chord is like this, for example, the focus is here, and then vertex is here, y-axis and the x-axis. For example, focal chord is like this, just a line passes through the focus, like this. There are two extremities. Extremities are just ending points, like this, like this. The ending points are called extremity. Okay, so as you see, there is a specific length of focal chord. The question is about that, the length of this chord. Okay. Simplify the given parabola equation first. Perfect square, make a perfect square. So y squared minus 4y plus 4 to the left, okay? And then 8x plus 4 also to the left for the balance. To the right, sorry. So 4 and then 4. Okay. So y minus 2 perfect square is equal to 8 times x plus 1. Well. So in this case, you have -1 and 2 as a vertex of this parabola. And then 4 times 2, right? A can be 2. A can be 2. Another name, focal length, right? Focal length. Usually we can say A. A equals 2. Okay. Draw the graph very beautifully. -1 and 2 and vertex. So focal length is now positive. So like this. So 2. So length is 2 literally. Yeah. Where is directrix? Directrix is a same distance here. The orange line, vertical line is a directrix. I'm very satisfied. Here is the focus. Where is the focus? Yeah. 1, 2. 1, 2 is the focus. Good. What is the question then? X-intercept of a focal chord is 3. Okay. So we can draw the graph, focal chord like this. Amazing. X-intercept is 3, 0. Okay, good. So we can get the linear equation because you have 2 points. Oh yeah. So slope is -1. So minus x plus 3. Yes. This is a linear equation. Oh, so, and then what is the next step? What is next step? Okay, how about getting extremity? 2 points. Oh, getting extremity. So you have a linear equation and you have parabola equation. Oh, so you can get 2 intersection. Huh? Oh, okay. So instead of y, substitute here. So minus x plus 3 minus 2 plus 1. Perfect square can be 8x plus 1. Very quickly, please. X squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 8x minus 8 equals 0. X squared minus 10x minus 7 equals 0. Oh, okay. But the quadratic equation, you have to use a quadratic formula if you want to get the solution or roots of that equation. But in my opinion, it's not a good idea, right? Okay, the roots is alpha, beta. Assume, roots of that quadratic equation, alpha, beta. So I can say one extremity x coordinate alpha, and then the other extremity x coordinate beta. All right. Oh, remind the definition of parabola. What is that? What was that? Parabola. Okay. All right. We can do it. The distance, just the red one. The alpha point, right? One extremity, distance one extremity to focus is equal to the distance that extremity and the directrix. The same one. Same one. Exactly same one. And then how about the yellow part? The length and the length is the same one. Okay. The other extremity, the distance, the other extremity to the focus is equal to, and then with the directrix line is the same, right? Okay, same each other. Thus, we wanna know the length, the distance between 2 extremities, which is called a focal chord, the length of focal chord. Okay. But as you see, the red one is each other, and then yellow one is the same each other. Cool. Thus, our conclusion is that we have to get the sum, this red parallel line and then yellow parallel line. All right, the sum, get the sum. Okay, what is the first shorter parallel line? The length is alpha minus directrix, right? What is the name of directrix? We know that because x can be minus 3. Oh yeah, so shorter one, alpha plus 3, because alpha minus 3. How about the longer one, beta plus 3? So it's the sum of 2 lengths, alpha plus beta plus 6. That's the answer. How can you get the alpha plus beta? The sum between alpha and beta is from here. You know, everybody know that. Right? Alpha plus beta, right? The sum of 2 roots of minus b over a, 10. Thus, the answer is 16. You can do it. Cheer up.